From the kangaroo to the koala, Australia is home to a unique variety of animal life. Join us as we explore the fascinating creatures from the land down under. Australia's most famous zoo is the Taronga Zoo, and we'll take you there. Meet a man whose crusade for Australian wildlife has only just begun. Learn about sea animals in the land down under as we visit the Great Barrier Reef. And join us on a trip just offshore southeastern Australia to a place where the animals live in peace, Kangaroo Island. You'll find all this and more as Wild About Animals presents Amazing Animals of Australia.